ridiculous. Janet, calm that nanny down.
Oh my Caucasian stars! You don't have anything to hide that you'll just let me see the phone.
Oh, Janet, we all know that Brad got a dirty dick, so let's cut it off.
How dare you? I would never cheat on my girl with another woman.
Who said anything about a woman?
Oh, Brad!
Oh, Janet.
Well, bitch, this is Hotlanta.
It's astounding. Your man's been cheating. You mad, bitch? Well, we told you so. Your boy's been hoeing.
Just dipping and doing.
Wake up, girl, and let that man go. You can do bad all by yourself. Fucking pack up his shit instead of crying. Oh, girl, you should be plotting. Let's go and cut off his dick. Let's go and cut off his dick. Now go ahead and snip, snip. Don't let him try your life. It's time to get revenge. And tell him and hold by. He really got you fucked up. Now bitch, go insane. Let's go and cut off his dick. Let's go and cut off his dick.
Don't be weak now. Your man deserves a beat down. Girl, it's not your fault. No, not at all. Let's Lorena bob it and go cut off his dick. Don't back down, bitch. You'll have a ball.
He's been treating you like shit.
So go cut off his dick.
Girl, stop playing his silly ass games.
Well, let's not be hasty.
It's time to get real crazy. Let's go and cut off his dick. Let's go and cut off his dick.
Why your man ain't shit, you delusional bitch. You can choose to stay or cut off his dick. Go dry those eyes, don't believe his lies. He's been a hoe since day one, so don't act surprised. Choose to stay or choose to leave, but if you stay, he will always cheat.
Let's go and cut off his dick. Let's go and cut off his dick. Now go ahead and snip, snip. Don't let him try your life. It's time to get revenge. And tell him and hold back.